What's going on YouTube, man? We got some bad news, man. The 300 is cooked. I'm looking crazy. Just get out the bed, just get out the shower type shit. But I don't care. The 300 cooked, man. Let me show y'all something real quick, man. Let me show y'all something, man. This shit crazy. This shit's crazy. My 300 sound crazy right now. And I'm not talking about in a good way either. Man. Look, check it out, bro. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Damn, it's hot as shit. Get that shit, bro. Cooked. My shit cooked. My shit barbecue. My shit McChicken, gang. So now I got work today. It's 14. It's been doing this shit for like the last 3 days for real. But my pops, I ain't tell my pop. Like I told my pops, but he didn't take it serious for real. But then it sounded crazy yesterday on the way to work. So when my pops get home from work, he finna look at it for me, and we probably gonna have to take it somewhere, just get it looked at and things of that nature. So I'm gonna be using my brother's car or my dad's car to go to work in tonight, because obviously they're gonna be home. And we gonna see what he say when my pops get home. We gonna hope for the best that I don't gotta get rid of this motherfucker, or it's gonna be crazy amount of money to fix. I don't got that right now. So y'all need to fucking subscribe to the channel and watch the videos all the way through. Watch all my POVs. Watch everything so I get the channel monetized by like tomorrow, gang. Cause I'm gonna need it to fix this motherfucker, bro. Cause if it's the exhaust, that shit gonna be at least $700 and up. Like $700 and up, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, but I'm gonna get back to y'all when I got an update. But yeah, hopefully 300 gang ain't gone, because obviously Bunny already got his shit stolen. Got his whole situation he got going on with his car. Hopefully he makes a story time or something on that. I'll put his car channel in the description down below, because he's gonna get another Mopar, but it's not gonna be a Chrysler. But so I'm the last Chrysler standing, and it's not looking good now. So maybe this is supposed to be end of an era, and maybe it's time for us to move on. I don't know. Shit, it was fun while it lasted, man. That's all I'm saying. But hopefully we get some good news. I'm able to keep my car, and it's not gonna be a crazy fix, because I'm broke as shit. But I'll see y'all when I got an update, and hopefully some good news. Okay, y'all, quick little update from the last clip. As y'all can see, I'm in a fucking Kia, gang. As y'all can, damn, I keep forgetting these brakes like that. Keep forgetting these brakes like that. I ain't like how whoever fuck was in that car that looked at me like that, gang. But as you can tell, I'm in a motherfucking Kia. Damn, fuck are they doing? But yeah, like I said, you tell I'm in a Kia boy and shit, gang. Had to go get me a new car until oh shit, I had to go get me a new car obviously until my car was able to be used. So I figured I'd just Kia boy somebody shit. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we finna do, man. That's what we finna do. That's what we finna do. But they got shit rolling around this motherfucker, man. But yeah, my pop should be on the way home in the next hour or two, so I should be able to give y'all an update of what we gonna do with our little situation. You feel what I'm saying? Hopefully we go from there. I do have a plan. I do have a plan that, like, worst case scenario, something just, you feel me, goes wrong and it just doesn't make sense type shit. I do have a idea of what I can do type shit, so I can come out on the better side of the circle. You feel what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, I don't even want to do that shit for real, but I'm just gonna do what I gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip, man. Stay tuned. Let's keep living, keep you feel me, dreaming, keep living for success, man. I'll see y'all in the next clip with an update, hopefully. Man, y'all see it. Y'all always back. As y'all can see, I'm at the gas station. So if y'all tuned into my video on Wednesday, y'all understand why I'm here. But it's hot as fuck. It is hot as fuck. So obviously my car is fixed. If you can't tell by now, the fact that I'm driving it. Hold on. The fact that I'm driving, you can obviously tell my car is fixed. I'm about to show y'all in a minute when I go over here and park what was making the noise on my exhaust. What was making the noise on my exhaust for it to make that sound. But we back. We is back though. We is back. Oh, fuck. Let me put that shit down. We back though. I'm finna park in a minute and show y'all the noise like I said. But I'm just glad that I had to spend over $700 to get this shit fixed. Cause I would have been pissed. That shit not in the budget right now. But obviously, I think this is a I don't think this is a temporary fix. I mean a permanent fix. I think this is just a temporary fix. My fault. So I think down the road, I am going to end up having to get a new exhaust because everything's starting to rust out. And that's just what it is for real. But I mean, it is what it is. I ain't had to spend that $700 right now, so that's the good thing. It's probably gonna be something that I just gonna have to hold on, I thought I just seen a cop right there, but it's not. It's just something I'm just gonna have to prepare for later down the line. I'm gonna start saving up for. Actually, this paycheck, I'll reopening up my savings account. I'm supposed to. I mean, I'm off on Thursday, Friday, so there's literally no excuse why I don't open it this week. Because literally, this is the first week that I'm off 2 days back to back. Because usually the first day I'm off, I'm literally sleep the whole day until like 5 o'clock. And then at that point, I gotta get up, eat, shower. By that time, the bank's closed. So hopefully, on either one of those days I'm off, I'm able to go to the bank, put like $20 in it just to get it started up. Because I am, like I said in my other video, I am paying off all my debt. Right now, I got like $349 left. So I can start doing stuff for my car. Start putting stuff on my credit card. Because I got to get my remote start and my tent. Those are the two main things I'm focused on right now. And then I'm going to start putting money aside to get my exhaust, a new exhaust, the muffler delete. And start doing stuff to the car, man. I kept doing stuff here and there, but not like things I really wanted to do. But it's that time, man. It's that time. We also in the way on saving up for another car. So, yeah, I said what I wanted in other videos. In my last POV, actually. So make sure you go watch that to go see what I'm trying to get next. That's gonna be a car note. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for the future. I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done by January 1st. That's my deadline of everything. Just trying to get done because I want to be put into a good position going into the new year. You feel what I'm saying? So that's the plan. That's my deadline. Look at this dumbass. Got his ass on camera too, fucking waving and shit. His dickhead. Just almost smack my shit. What that is over there? That's an RT, orange RT over there. Challenger. Yeah, we finna go over here though. And then this is gonna wrap the video up. This is gonna be today's drop. I'm sorry. Y'all getting a POV right here. Usually it's POV Monday, but the POV is gonna be instead coming out on Wednesday. You feel what I'm saying? But let me show y'all real quick the part that was making that noise. And then if y'all want a POV, make sure you go check out the channel, man. I have a whole Chrysler 300 POV playlist. So if you think you watched all my POVs, I guarantee you did it. So make sure y'all tune in. If there's some under 100, please go watch those first. There's some like so close to hitting 100, they're like at 90, 87. So make sure I go tune into those first before y'all watch the ones with over 100 views. I'd appreciate it. So this is the part right here that already fell off originally, that we yanked off because it was making a noise when my grandma died. So we yanked this part off in January. And this is the recent part that just came off, that we just yanked off, that was making that rattling noise. As you can tell, it's all rusted out. And that's by the Cadillac converter part. So yeah, that's what was making that noise. And as I can tell, it's not making no noise no more. Just regular engine. You feel me? Just making a regular engine noise. Regular engine noises, man. Like I said, I want to get this shit tuned. Bro, let me fucking delete my muffler, get a new exhaust, and a fresh new fucking air intake, gang. It's over with. My shit fucking the streets up. But yeah, that's later down the road. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all know that my car is good to go. So if y'all in the Chicagoland area and y'all got some Mopars, and y'all trying to, you feel me, take pictures, y'all trying to link up, make some content, some POVs, what did I say? POVs, let me know. My IG is I'm.MC13 on Instagram. I'm.MC13. I'm really trying to go crazy with this YouTube shit going into the new year. We're trying to prepare myself in the new year. Like I said, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and all my friends is on bullshit that do YouTube. So, if y'all trying to film, let me know. I'm open to it. Y'all know where to find me. I'm out there. Yeet Bell. Chrysler gang out. You feel me?